Hello Team Apex, how are you? I thought I'd create a little tutorial to help navigate the Cardone University site. I went through about half a dozen videos and then I was having difficulty finding where I left off. I signed out and then signed back in, and I was having trouble, so I thought this might help you out. First thing you got to do is make sure you're home. Hit this home button. And you might have to take a couple of steps to get back home. I'll show you that later. But what you really want to do is get over here to this drop down menu, and right here click on this folder that says Training Center. Then click on My Courses. Once you're in My Courses, right below My Courses, click on this little filter, and I selected In Progress because I only took 6 out of 12 in this particular course. So I select In Progress, then I select Apply, and there it is, Potential. I click on this, and then a list of the courses that I took came up. It tells me which ones I completed and which ones I haven't finished, and whether or not I want to start again, restart, or start a new one. So that's about it. If anybody else has questions or issues, maybe we could share a few thoughts on how to best navigate through this fabulous, fabulous website. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you.